Now, I am so excited to show you something that has made laundry way easier for me. Now, these are earthwash laundry detergent sheets. And the company actually sent me a box to try, and I could not be happier. Now, first of all, look at how compact this packaging is. Instead of carrying around those huge plastic jugs of detergent, everything comes inside this little small box. And here is a bag and inside are these thin detergent strips, and they're incredibly easy to use. So for a regular load, you usually use 1 to 2 strips. One of these strips for like a smaller load, and maybe 2 if you have a bigger load. So you can adjust the amount easily. And what I love is if you're hand washing something in the sink, you can literally just use like a quarter or a half of a strip, which is perfect for me because I do a lot of traveling. And I travel a lot internationally, and sometimes I just need to wash something like a shirt, a swimsuit, some undergarments in the hotel sink, and these are super lightweight, TSA friendly, and mess free. So I can just throw a few strips in my bag. And again, it's easy to travel with, way less messy than liquid detergent, and I feel like it's definitely something worth checking out.